Good morning, first one of the day. Gorgeous BMW S1000RR. This is in for one of our full works packages, which will include a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we're going to cover this whole bike in the Ultimaxx ceramic, making sure this bike is properly protected for the years ahead. We'll get those wheels all polished up, get some ceramic on those, we'll get that wheel chain cleaned up, get it looking like it should, like it just rolled out of the showroom. Got a few marks on this paintwork, so like I said, this is going to include a two-stage machine polish. Then we'll prep it and we will apply all the ceramic to the bodywork, and we will airbrush it onto all the motor, etc. Let's work a little chop magic. Okay, BMW is now thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated. Now time to crack on with a bit of polishing. Good old black shows every single mark. Look at that, oh my goodness. We're gonna do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. The wheels are pretty bad as well. Look at this. See if we can get a bit of gloss back into those dull wheels. They get so easily scratched when you wipe them down. But all this needs a good polish. So we're going to do a two-stage machine polish. I'm going to put a bit of XCP on the banjo bolts, other nuts and bolts, which I think might corrode. I have sprayed a bit of XCP on this motor as it was all furring up already. The rest of it is going to get ceramic. We will ceramic all the swing arm, all up underneath, and obviously all the bodywork once it is polished. So let's crack on with the detail inside. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This BMW S1000RR has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that. This has had one of our full works valets, which does include a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. And then it's prepped and treated with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. Look at the gloss on that. Managed to get rid of most all those spider webbing. Look at that, got a nice bit of gloss back to it, bit of depth. Check out the wheels. I polished and polished these wheels. Oh my God, they look as good, if not better than new. Now fully protected for the years ahead. They've had a two-stage machine polish, all prepped, treated with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. This whole bike has been treated. Should be nice and easy to keep clean, and now fully protected for the years ahead. Nice bit of flake in that, look at that. Absolutely gleaming, 3 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service, 07966 249 963.